How to unlink WhatsApp from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlink WhatsApp from other devices to keep your account secure. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after tapping on that, a drop down menu will appear. From the drop down menu, you can see the option labeled Link Devices. Simply tap on that. And here you will see a list of all devices where your WhatsApp account is currently logged in. Now to disconnect a device, simply tap on the device name you want to unlink and then tap on Logout to remove access. And if you want to log out from all devices, repeat this process for each listed devices. And after tapping on that, the devices will be unlinked from WhatsApp. And that's it. Now you have successfully unlinked WhatsApp from other devices. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.